Okay, here's Eddie. He's going to help remodel the bathroom. So first we're taking apart these old cabinets. He's going to use the drill to unscrew this.
How do I unscrew it?
Give it a shot, man. Get it straight. You got to get it straight in there. Get the drill so it's straight. It's not straight. So you got to get like this so it's straight.
Ready?
Okay, yeah. You got to push. You got to push it in there though and get it straight. Hold on. Okay. Now try it again. See what you got. There you go. Just straight. You got it straight like that.
You see that?
Do this one.
Uh-oh.
That's it. You got it.
How do we take this out?
Just take them out now.
I did it.
Okay, put it on the right here.
Put it on the deck.
Yep. Got it? All right, now you want to do this one here?
Yeah. I'm gonna do
another one. You got to get it straight though. Let's straighten it out like that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Got it.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I'll hold it on this side. Okay, go ahead now.
Just
stop for a minute. There you go. Got it.
can I just take this out?
Sure.
I'm gonna do this one.
Okay, we got those, right?
How many screws do we have?
We got a couple more over here. Here, I'll hold the drill. You want to come over here?
Sure.
Okay, now let's try these.
What?
Okay.
I can help you with that. I got that one.
Got that one.
Uh-oh.
Hold it on the other side, Eddie, and I only have 2 hands. You got that drill? You got it? Okay, put it in there.
Just
Get it in there first. Get it straight. No. You got to get it in there. No. Give it a try. You got to straighten it out. Straighten it out like this. Okay. Okay, now straighten it out. Get it in there. Okay, and straighten it out like that.
I got it.
Okay. Now in the second one, I need to hold that handle.
You have
So
to.
you got to get it straight.
It's
okay.
not too long.
There you go. A little more.
Uh-oh.
You're not done. You got to straighten it out. Eddie, turn the drill off. Straighten it out. Straighten it out. There you go. Good.
I got it.
Almost. A little more. Like first, now straighten it out. Before you pull the trigger, you have to get it straight. Okay? I know it's hard.
It's not too hard at all.
Okay. All right. Now straighten it out. Get it straight. Keep going. More. More. It's not straight. You got to go here. See, that's straight.
See that?
Now you can do it. Okay. That's it. You got it.
I got it. Can I take this screw out?
Sure.
I did it.
Got it. Good job, man. You got them all. Nice.
Now, how do we do with the old ones?
Okay, now I have to take that down now, okay?
How do we take it apart?
Well, here, don't. I don't want it to fall, okay? So just back up.